We lined up all of our firefighters, our police, in order to honor the service in memory of firefighter Israel Tolentino Jr., along with his wife and his mother who got to witness it.
Firefighters and police toured the city of Passaic today in memory of 33-year-old Israel Tolentino Jr. Standing with the gear of their fallen brother, they lined the roadside and escorted his hearse from the hospital where he died to the family's home to the funeral home, with his mother and wife watching. Tolentino had no pre-existing health conditions that city officials were aware of.
He was only 33 years old. I spoke to his wife, Maria, earlier. They have two children, Ilani, who I think is 9, and Israel, who is 7. By all accounts, an incredible guy and somebody who we mourn with his family and friends.
Also lost to coronavirus, Cliffside Park High School varsity baseball coach Ben Luderer. He was 30 years old. New Jersey reported its largest single-day gain in coronavirus deaths today, with 69 new fatalities overnight. There are now 18,696 confirmed cases statewide. The state is most concerned about long-term care facilities where the most vulnerable population lives. 1 in 5 deaths statewide are residents of these facilities. So the state is issuing new orders
that directs them to implement universal masking of all staff and anyone entering the facility. Facilities must create separate wings, units or floors, to accept asymptomatic residents coming into or returning from the hospital.
Anthony Gesimondo's 88-year-old mom, Marie, is in Lakeland Healthcare Center in Haskell right now, which is on lockdown after 8 deaths happened there from coronavirus.
Pretty worrisome, to say the least. You know, you can't go there, you can't see her, you can't call her. I call the main number. Every time they transfer me, I think the phone call gets dropped. So that's where I'm at. And, you know, I understand they're overwhelmed, but I would also like to get an update or at least say hi to my mom.
Mr. Gesimondo was able to reach his mom just today. He spoke to her for a few seconds, and she appears to be doing okay. He said she does not have a fever. 1 in 5 long-term care facilities in New Jersey right now are reporting at least 1 positive case of COVID-19 within their walls. And the state says you can expect the number of cases statewide, of course, to still go up as new testing centers were announced to be opening today in Ocean, Camden, and Middlesex counties. Mr. Tolentino, the firefighter who passed here at St. Mary's this morning, we can also tell you tonight both his father and his colleague, a fellow EMT, are at this hour tonight in ICU. So prayers go out to them and their families.